Here are some Here are some valuable advice
From individuals working in genomics lab.
Here are some valuable advice
From individuals working in
Here are some valuable advice from individuals. Here are some valuable advice
From individuals working in genomics lab.
Here are some valuable advice
From individuals working in genomics lab. Keep your laboratory notebook organized. Keep your laboratory notebook organized.
Action.
Keep your laboratory notebook organized.
Ano? Hindi magamuto. Nagawa mo na siya. Action.
Keep discussion open with your friends, lab members, and guides.
Action. Dali lang. Action. 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 Sige, sulod. Sige. Pakita kay Marge. Discuss. Oo. Okay. Exit naman, Nay. Nis, exit na. Action. Dua ka boxes. Tapos check. Sulod. Okay. Action. Isa lang boxing. Okay. Check. Medyo dugay, ah. Okay. Taguan. Ah, sige. Butang na. Okay. Balik. Na. Na. Okay na to. Action.
At the very least, analyze your results weekly.